Hey everybody, I hope you're having a great week. I've got some pretty interesting news for you. I want to talk to you about what Danish banks are doing. So banks in Denmark are actually offering a negative interest rate mortgage. So we all see our mortgage rates dropping. When I started investing, interest rates were actually about 7 or 8%. And so now they're at about a 2.8 fixed rate to a 3%. So interest rates are definitely dropping, and everyone's talked about over here, what happens if interest rates keep going lower and lower and lower? Is it possible to have a negative interest rate? So again, Danish banks are actually offering a negative interest rate, negative 0.5%. So you actually borrow money and get paid to borrow money on your mortgage, which is pretty awesome and pretty wild. I wish that would happen here. But how's it going to work? So they're not going to give you money every month. Like when you pay your mortgage payment of $1,000, it's not that they're going to give you, an extra, half point back in cash, but you're actually going to pay back a little bit more than $1,000 off of the mortgage. So every month you pay your mortgage payment of, let's say, $1,000, and whatever, $1,050 is going to be paid off the principal. So you're paying it off even faster, which is pretty cool. So how are they doing it? They're actually going and they're getting negative interest rates from the bond markets and other banks, and then they're actually passing that on to their customers. So it's definitely pretty cool, definitely pretty interesting. It's something to keep in mind, right? So keeping in mind on world banking, right? So many times we get focused on what our immediate market or our city or town is doing, or even our country. But when you look at the global economics, it's actually pretty fascinating. Now, bad side of that is that anybody who puts their money in the bank is likely to be facing a lot of charges as well. So that's where the banks are going to be making their money. So anyways, click the link below. There's actually a link right here to the entire article. It's an awesome article, amazing article. Read it for yourself. I find it pretty entertaining. So let's hope, fingers crossed, that there's negative interest rates one day here in Canada. All right, talk to you later. Bye.